welcome back. Today I'm back here at the Honolulu Valley. My operation is tomorrow, so that's probably my last hike for looks like almost 2 months, 6 weeks or so. That kind of sucks, but still want to get out. Take it easy, of course, today. Okay, let's see how it goes. Let's go, aloha.
All right, beautiful morning. A little bit of rain. It's a little bit windy, so I put the external mic on here, canceling the wind noise. I was going to talk to you a little bit about my hernia. I noticed it maybe about a month ago. I didn't really feel any pain or so. Just during the shower I noticed kind of a lump on my right side lower stomach. So instead of just Googling it, I just went to see a doctor. Because if you Google stuff like this, you always find the worst thing happen to you. And he looked at it for about 2 seconds and he told me, "Oh, you got a hernia." And I said, "What's that?" No idea, had no idea. So he explained it and he said, "You really only have 2 options. Leave it for now and wait if it gets any bigger, or operate it. But sooner or later you're gonna have to do an operation." So he referred me to a surgeon. So about a week later I had an appointment here at the Queen's Hospital, and he told me about the options. Pretty much the same thing. He said sooner or later you're gonna have to do it. So I decided just to get my appointment and have it done. Apparently there is 2 options to operate it. The open surgery, which is pretty much an old standard surgery, or the robotic surgery, which should take a little bit less time to recover, where they puke 3 holes into your stomach, 1 for the camera and 2 for the operating arms. So he actually recommended me to do the open surgery because it's only on one side and should be a pretty small incision. So I guess I just trust my doctor, and that's what we're gonna do. Preparation wise, pretty simple. Week before, stop drinking alcohol if you do. Take it easy, of course, that's what I did. Still went out for walks every day. Get my 10,000 steps at least, like 20,000 most of the time. Still try to keep going. And again, today is probably one of my last trips out here in the wild for a while. They say, yeah, about 6 to 8 weeks should take before I'm back to normal. And that's pretty much it. And let's keep going here, enjoying my last trip here for a while. Alright, stopped raining for now. It's one of those mornings when you put on your jacket and it stops raining, starts again, on and off. The good thing though, hardly anybody out here today. It's normally a busy trail, especially in the morning, which is great. As for recording, for those of you wondering, all my videos are shot on the iPhone 12 mini, which I'm really surprised about the quality since I own expensive cameras, and especially only during the daytime the quality is really, really good. As for recording the sound, right now I use my external mic. I'm gonna put a link below. That's also a problem recording video with the iPhone, especially here in Hawaii where it's windy a lot. You get that wind noise, and the external microphone definitely helps. You can see the dead cat on here. The one I'm using here is a Komika system, and you just plug it in your phone, works immediately. Now obviously during the hike I'm not gonna set that up every time I stop and start filming. That's why some of my videos you also don't have the best audio. Getting into kind of a nice spot right here. We have to navigate around this quick. All right, made it through that wetland. As for filming, some of you may notice that many times if it's an up and down trail, I head up first to the summit and then I start filming myself going on the way down, going up. It just makes it a little bit easier. And while you're on the way up, stopping like every few minutes, it's super tiring. It's much easier than doing this on the way down. Yeah, okay, another super wet spot here. Let's keep going. All right, made it through that too. As for recording, I think I forgot. I use the DJI Osmo 4, which works great. The only problem is it always takes a little bit of time to set it up. So many times, if I'm in a rush, I just handheld my phone. The image stabilization is not too bad, especially for the front-facing camera. Not so much for the selfie one here. And that's pretty much the whole setup. The reason I picked the Mini, by the way, many points on that. Again, it is windy, and if you use like the Osmo, it has a small footprint. So if it's super breezy, the wind doesn't move it around. Easy to carry, lightweight. The only disadvantage on the Mini is the battery life. Obviously, I run out pretty quick if I film for a while. So you have to bring an external battery pack. Now, since about a month or so, I got my drone, the DJI Mini 2. And the good thing about it, you can use that battery charger, the package, to charge your phone, which is super great. It's a great idea. So I don't have to carry one more thing extra. I'm still learning how to use the drone. May get my drone license. The problem for me is I'm commercial helicopter pilot, so I can't really tell if I get in trouble with the FAA. Oh, I didn't know the rules. So may just do that one of those days. Now as for the trail, you see, as you get further up the valley, it gets more and more narrow. I have been up here, I don't know how many times. Today is probably the wettest so far I've seen. Muddiest, but nothing super bad really. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Almost at the end. A few more minutes, let's go. Alright, I'm back here at the end of the trail. May recognize that, been here many times now. I wish I could just quickly go up to the haiku stairs, maybe another hour and a half, 2 hours. But I should take it easy. So I'm just gonna head down the same way here. And hopefully in a few weeks I can return, come back to this location. Okay, let's go. All right, made it back. It was actually fun. I was out there about a little bit more than 2 hours. I think I got about 15,000 steps, which is a good thing. Feels strange now, kind of the last time for a while. But oh well, let's see how it goes tomorrow. Okay, I try to keep vlogging if I can. Not sure in the hospital. Let's go. Aloha.